Let's talk about libraries, dictionary, and data frame. And let me emphasize something, that this content is meant for pure beginners, okay? Because it is an oversimplification. Now, a library is a pre-written code that you can borrow to perform specific tasks. So in this video, you're going to specialize on one, that is pandas. So these pandas provide specialized tool designed for data manipulation and analysis. Simply, pandas provides tools that can be used to clean data. Apart from cleaning data, you can also use pandas to import data from external files. An example of those files you can use is the files called CSV, that is comma separated values. You can import from Excel data and JSONs, that is something to do with the JavaScript. We're going to look at that. A dictionary and data frame are data structures in Python. What is a dictionary? Simply, it's a way of storing data in a key value pairs. It's like a real-life dictionary. You look a word, that is now the key. To find its definition, that's the value. So now the syntax used in this data structure is you have the key, then the value. For instance, you can have the name and Alice now being the value. You can have age, that is the key, and the value becomes 25. Now that's the value of the key age. As simple as that. Now the only thing you should take care is the Python delimiters. That is now where you put the colon, where you put the comma, where there is a space, and so on. What is a data frame? A data frame simply is a 2D dictionary. So instead of putting the values, the keys and the values together, you separate them using rows and columns. Now, which methods are used in data frames? There are very many, but I'm going to give you an example here. So I have this data frame, and simply I've said data frame is data in rows and columns, or in tabular form, okay? Recall what I said earlier, that for you to use a method, you need an object. Now in our case, the data frame becomes our object. For instance, if I want to get the statistics for this data frame, I'm going to use the method describe. That is df, our object, dot describe in the parentheses. This gives us the statistics, that is the mean, the variance, the standard deviation, and so on. There are other methods that you're going to get familiar with once we start analyzing or cleaning real data, okay? So watch out.